Oh yeah, so you're pouring the brownie mix in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that? Who is that?
People in the basement.
Oh, okay, I'm like, who is that? Like random people. Whoa.
I think it would have spread out by itself, but okay.
Okay.
Like pour all of it into. Like,
I know we're gonna need like a spatula.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, Tom.
That's just dandy.
What?
I wonder how this tastes.
You want to lick the spoon?
No, I'm gonna look this.
Does it taste good?
That's an interesting taste.
Does that mean interesting taste?
I don't know. It's cakey.
No duh.
I guess we need sugar.
It does taste like a brownie.
This is taking a long time.
I think we might need a spoon. Wait. Okay, got a spoon. Here.
Does anyone want to hold it?
Hey.
Yeah.
So does it taste good? You know what? You know what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's got that weird kind of taste, maybe because it's not baked.
Yeah, but cake batter usually tastes good.
You could taste the frosting, kind of.
Yeah. It's supposed to have frosting.
Well, it tastes like it does. Oh.
Oops.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it now.
Okay.